Welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing today? The Life of Archie. I'm back again. Hope y'all having a great day during this pandemic, Hope everybody's doing wonder and you know, saying a prayer for all y'all people out there that's that's in the hurricane. Yeah, seems bad out there where hurricane is going and the way it's going. But anyways, y'all are here for something different. You're not here to hear me rant, talk, or anything like that. So, here we go. Limited edition birthday cake. Limited edition. So, limited edition. I keep saying it. We're going to get into it. Let's stop. Let's go. Could do the calories and the fats, but I probably shouldn't because it's bad for you anyways. So, yeah. You know, we just going to open it up. I got it because it's white chocolate. I like my white chocolate. White chocolate. Anyways, different subject. See the sprinkles? Bring me up a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Here we go. Here we go. Try and pinpoint what this tastes like. The sprinkles that's in it make it taste like a birthday cake, but it's not what it tastes like. The white chocolate that's on here, just don't know. Mm. But it's good. Limited edition. So, yeah, we out this. Peace. My girl calling.